Welcome to KS Max Tuition. Today I am going to explain the derivative. What do you mean by derivative? Let f of x be a function. Let f of x be a function. As x tends to 0, as h tends to 0, then f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Let f of x be a function. As x tends to 0, then f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. The process of finding the derivative is known as differentiation. The process of finding derivative is known as differentiation. Okay. Yes. Do some problems based on this definition. Using first problem, using definition, find f dash x if f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x. Using definition, find f dash x if f of x equal to 2x square plus 3x. Okay. Yes. Definition means f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Given f of x equal to 2x square plus 3x, then f of x plus h equal to 2 into x plus h the whole square plus 3 into x plus h. Okay. Substitute this value in this formula. Then f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h, that means 2 into x plus h whole square plus 3 into x plus h minus f of x 2x square plus 3x whole divided by h. Expand this term, that is limit x tends to 0, x square into 2, 2x square, 2x into 2, 4hx plus h square into 2, 2h square, plus 3x plus 3h minus 2x square minus 3x all divided by h. Okay, we can cancel 2x square and 2x square and 3x and 3x. Then limit x tends to 0, take h as a common term, 4x plus 2h. So take h as a common term, h out of 4x plus 2h plus 3 divided by h. h and h cancel, apply the limit, that is 4x plus 2 into 0 plus 3. So we can write f dash x equal to 4x plus 3. That is f dash x equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. Using definition, find the derivative of 2x square plus 3x. That is f dash x equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. Ready? Any doubts? No. Ready? Please read next question. Using definition, find f dash x if fx equal to
root x.
Fx equal to root x. Given fx equal to root x, then f of x plus h means root of x plus h. F of x plus h equal to root of x plus h. By the definition, f derivative f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx by h. That is root of x plus h minus root x divided by h. Okay. Take the conjugate of numerator and multiply in numerator and denominator. That is limit x tends to 0, root of x plus h minus root x into root of x plus h plus root x whole divided by root of x plus h plus root x into h. Okay, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is f dash x equal to limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, a plus b into a minus b, a square x plus h minus b square, root x square means x, divided by h into root of x plus h plus root x. Okay. That is, we can cancel this x and x. That is, limit s tends to 0, h divided by h out of root of x plus h plus root x. Okay, we can cancel this h and apply the limit. Then this is becomes as 1 by root of x plus 0, x plus root x. That is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, f dash of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Ready? Any question?
No.
No. This question is over. Okay.
No, one more question.
One more question. Yes. Use definition find f dash x if f(x) equal to
3x square minus 2x
3x square minus 2x
at
at
minus 1 5.
minus 1
Minus 1 5.
y. But here after differentiating we have to put x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 5. That's all. Okay. Here given f of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x. f of x plus h equal to 3 into x plus h the whole square minus 2 into x plus h. Put this value in this formula. That is f dash x equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x plus h 3 into x plus h whole square minus 2 into x plus h minus f of x 3x square minus 2x. Okay, all divided by and h. Expand this term. Limit s tends to 0 3x square and again 2 into 6hx and 3x square minus 2x minus 2h and again minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 2x whole divided by h. We can cancel this 3x square and 3x square, 2x and 2x. Then take h as a common term. Limit s tends to 0, h tends to 0, h out of 6x plus 3h minus 2 divided by h. We can cancel this term, apply the limit, this result equal to 6x minus 2. Okay, that is f dash x, f dash of 3x square minus f dash of 3x square minus 2x equal to 6x minus 2. Then f dash of 3x square minus 2x h minus 1 pi equal to, put x equal to minus 1, 6 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 6 minus 2 equal to minus 6, that is 6 answer. Ready? Any problems there?
No.
No. Next.
Derivatives of polynomial.
Yes, sir. Okay, that is the first derivative. Foundation of differentiation is over. F dash is equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay. Derivatives of polynomial function. D by dx of a constant. D by dx of a constant equal to 0. D by dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of x raised to n equal to n x raised to n minus 1 and d by dx of a constant equals 0. Okay. Yes. Let us pass to some problems. Find the derivative. Find the derivative of 2 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Let y equal to 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 6. Then dy, differentiate this function with respect to x. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dx of 3x cube and again plus d by dx of 4x square minus d by dx of 5x and again plus d by dx of 6. Okay, that is, here 3 is a constant, take outside 3 into d by dx of x cube. And again here also 4 is a constant, 4 out of d by dx of x square minus 5 into d by dx of x plus the derivative of a constant equal to 0. That is d by dx of a constant equal to 0. That is 3 into derivative of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. 4 into derivative of x square, 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. 5 into derivative of x, 1. Here also remember, d by dx of x is equal to 1. That is 3 into 3, 9x square plus 8x plus minus 5, 8x minus 5. That is 8x minus 5. That is derivative of 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 6 is 9x square plus 8x minus 5. Find the derivative. The derivative of y equal to 3x raised to 7 plus 5x raised to 5 plus 4x plus 9. Okay. That's y equal to this. Y equal to 3x raised to 7 plus 5x raised to 5 plus 4x plus 9. Differentiate the function with respect to x. Then dy by dx equal to d by dx of 3x raised to 7 plus d by dx of 5x raised to 5 plus d by dx of 4x plus d by dx of 9. Okay. Then here 3 is a constant, take outside. That is d by dx of x raised to 7 plus 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5 plus 4 into d by dx of x plus derivative of 9 equals 0. That is 3 into 7 x raised to 6, 5 into 5 x raised to 4 plus 4 into derivative of x equal to 1 and 0. This 0. X raised to 5, 5x raised to 4. So x raised to 7, 6x raised to 6 equal to 21 x raised to 6 plus 25 x raised to 4 plus 4. That is its answer. Okay? Yes. Please read the next question.
Y equal to
Find the derivative of y equal to
25x raised to 8
25x raised to 8
minus 34x raised to 5
minus 34x raised to 5
plus 2q
2
cube
cube
2
cube plus 2 cube
minus x
minus x
at 1 2.
at 1 comma 2. Okay. That is here y equal to 25x raised to 8 minus 34x raised to 5 plus 2 cube means 8. 8 minus x. Differentiate the function with respect to x. Differentiate. That is dy by dx equal to d by dx of 25x raised to 8 minus d by dx of 34x raised to 5 plus d by dx of 8 minus d by dx of x. Okay. That is 25 is a constant. 25 into d by dx of x raised to 8. Okay. Minus 34 into d by dx of x raised to 5. 8 is a constant, that result equals 0. d by dx of x equal to 1. That is 25 into 8x raised to 7. 34 into 5x raised to 4 minus 1. Okay. 8 into 25. 25 into 400, 200. 200 x raised to 7. 170 x raised to 4 minus 1. That is its answer. Okay.
I think
Next. We have to find out dy by dx at x equal to 1 to dy by dx at 1 comma 2. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 means 200 1 raised to 7 minus 170 1 raised to 4 minus 1 equal 200 minus 170 minus 1 equal to 200 minus 171 equal to 929. Okay. That is the derivative of this function at 1 to equal to 29. Ready? Yes. Next question. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to 2x raised to 6 minus 4x square at x equal to minus 1. Slope means slope m equal to dy by dx. We have to find out slope of this curve, that is y equal to 2x raised to 6 minus 4x square. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 2 into derivative of x raised to 6 minus 4 into d by dx of x square. Okay, equal 2 into x raised to 6, 6x raised to 5, 4 into x square, 2x. That is 12x raised to 5 minus 8x. Okay, therefore dy by dx at x equal to minus 1 is 12 into minus 1 all raised to 5 minus 8 into minus 1. Minus 1 all raised to 5 minus 1 into 12 minus 12. Minus into minus plus 8 equal to minus 4. Therefore slope m equal to minus 4. Okay. One more question please. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y equal to 3x cube minus 9x at x equal to 1. Find the slope. Slope means m equal to dy by dx. That is y equal to 3x cube minus 9x. Then dy by dx equal to 3 into dy by dx of x cube minus 9 into dy by dx of x. Okay. That is 3 into derivative of x cube 3x square. 9 into derivative of x 1. 9x square minus 9. That is dy by dx. We have to find out dy by dx at x is equal to 1. That is 9 into 1 square minus 9 equal to 9 minus 9 equals 0. That is slope m equal to 0. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Next step, find the instantaneous
Velocity of
Find
an
the-
object.
Find the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous. Find the instantaneous velocity
Of an object
of an object.
moving with
Of an object moving with
relative motion
relative motion. Moving with relative motion.
s equal to
S equal to
6t raised to 5
6t raised to 5
minus 5t
5t
plus 2.
plus 2. Any point is there? No. At t or something? No.
No.
Yes. Find the instantaneous velocity of an object moving with a relative motion s equal to 6t raised to 5 minus 5t plus 2. Instantaneous velocity v equal to ds by dt. Okay. That is v equal to ds by dt. That is s is equal to 6t raised to 5 minus 5t plus 2. Then ds by dt equal to 6 into d by dt of t raised to 5 minus 5 into d by dt of t. That is 6 into 5 t raised to 4 minus 5 into d by dt equal to 1. So we can write 30 t raised to 4 minus 5. That is instantaneous velocity v equal to 30 t raised to 4 minus 5. Okay. Next. One more questions. Find the instantaneous velocity of an object moving with a relative motion.
s equal to
S equal to
20 plus
20 plus
68t
68t
minus 4.9 t square
4.9 t square
at t equal to 1.
t equal to 1. Here also we have to find out instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity means ds by dt. That is ds by dt s equal to 20 plus 68t minus 4.9 t square. That is v equal to ds by dt equal to derivative of 20 0. Derivative of 60 80 1 minus 4.9 into derivative of t square 2t. That is 68 minus 9.8t. Okay, that is v. But given that we have to find out ds by dt at t equal to 1. Substitute that value here. That is equal to 68 minus 9.8 into 1 equal to 68 minus 9.8 to 858. Okay, 59. That is ds by dt or instantaneous velocity at t equal to 1 is v equal to 58.2. 58.2, 59, 968. Okay, that is instantaneous velocity at t equal to 1 is 58.2. Okay, that portion is over. The product solved. We'll take next video.